Welcome, dear participants, to the fourth module of the second week. In this module, we would look at the facial expressions, what is their importance, what are the basic types of facial expressions, and also what is the latest research which is going on in this direction. Our face is the most expressive part of our body. It is popularly known as an index of mind, and normal perception is that our face displays our emotions, our feelings in a very expressive manner, and therefore our facial expressions serve a very significant social function of passing on, exchanging and communicating social information. This is a fundamental function of human society without which we cannot exist. I would like to quote Rachel Jack here, who has commented that facial expressions have been the source of fascination as well as empirical investigation amongst philosophers, anthropologists, psychologists and biologists for over a century. Our social interactions are dependent on the mutual understanding of emotions. Without understanding the emotions, we cannot interact with each other and coexist as a society. And this primary and fundamental function is performed with the help of our facial expressions, which are considered to be potent signals of our true ideas and information which we often want to pass on, and sometimes we want to hide from others. As far as the scientific investigation in this area of facial expressions was concerned, we have to acknowledge that Darwin was the first person to suggest the idea of the universality of human emotions. In his treatise, The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals, which was published in 1872, he had propounded this idea that the expression of emotions and feelings on human face is universal in different societies. However, this idea was soon rejected by various other scientists. This idea was presented by Darwin in his third major work of evolutionary theory. The first book was on the origin of species, which was published in 1859. The second book was The Descent of Man, which was published in 1871. In this book, the expression